For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your Daily Dose of the Doctor. Let's take a look at two news-based trades. These are brought to you, as usual, by the good folks at TradeTheNews.com. That's the news service I use to pick up on these. And the first one that we saw today in our first-hour trading pit was a sub-$10 stock, MIFI. Strength was attributed to chatter, canceled out of a conference, and they were unwilling to comment about the reason for the cancellation, sent the stock soaring. And let's have a look at how this one played out. Now, like all the other sub-10s, we're going to have very, very tight stops, very tight targets on these. As you can see, we've made the move from $5.20 down to $5.08. That's right from the first to the second pivot. So it's from R2 down to R1. That makes for an easy exit. If you didn't catch it the first time, resting the entry right up underneath that pivot line, $5.19. That's what got our guys into the trade very, very easily. And this time you are targeting, once again, 508, or we can look at this area right here as a logical place to rest our exit stop. A couple of minutes later, this is what happened. We see that MFI, Novatel Wireless Incorporated, moved down from that $5.20 line to the $5.08 line. Again, that's R2 down to R1. Those are floor trader pivots that are built right into your trading software. And just a few minutes later, you can see that we are making the move down to that extended profit projection. So why not down to the central pivot? Well, for a couple reasons. We've got all this garbage right here that's going to slow it down. You could wait for the extension, but in a case like this, it's better just to take the money off the table. This is a sub-$10 stock, and as you know, if you join us in the room every day, 3 cents a risk for 10 cents a gain makes for a very happy trader on the sub-$10 stocks. The second one we had this morning in the first hour trading pit actually happened after the first hour of trading was already over. This was PG. It was ticking higher on vague chatter that there was a call for a change at the company. This kind of thing, though it might seem insignificant, can push stocks' prices very rapidly higher, and that's exactly what happened in the case of PG. Now, as you know, I'm not looking to pile on. I am looking to wait for the reversal, always at a pivot line. And here's what we had. We had the move from the 79.38 pivot all the way up to the 79.82 R1 resistance level. Price came back down through, filled us at 79.82. So now it is just a matter of wait and see. For those of you who hung around in the room after the official first hour was over with, good for you. You saw another opportunity, and we had the chance to capitalize. So why are we looking for so much bigger of a move on this one? Well, first off, it's trading almost $80 per share, $79.82. It is most likely that price is going to come down, stop just shy of this pivot line, or maybe just take out this pivot. But one way or another, on a big dollar stock like this that does heavy, heavy volume all day, every day, we're going to expect to see a little bit more liquidity, and we're definitely not going to cap this kind of thing at 10 cents per share. We are going to look for a big move to the downside from the R1 pivot. So we're going to go ahead and cut it here and come back and take a look at what happened as this one plays out over the course of the morning. Here you have it. We had to wait quite a while in this case. This one took almost an hour, came in and made the move all the way down through this support and resistance area that we identified. Hopefully you can see here where price bumped and why it bumped and reversed, and then made the move down to that central pivot. We do these kind of trades all day, every day in the first hour trading pit. This is all based on my Around the Horn trading plan and the first hour trading plan that I publish every single day. It's also complemented by the work that Rick and Julie and Ken do in the first hour trading pit. So we've got lots and lots of good stuff to draw on. If you'd be interested in taking a trial to these services, you can try the whole thing for $99 for a month. That's every single one of the trading services that I offer, including the first hour trading pit. This is not a recurring charge. It will just appear one time on your credit card. At the end of the month, you tell us if you're interested in continuing. I'm sure you're going to find something in there that really resonates with you as a trader. And you can just go through and pick the services a la carte and decide if any of them or none of them are suitable for the way that you trade or the way that you want to run your trading business. So take us up on the offer, click here, and you will be taken to the offer page where you can fill out the form and subscribe for 1 month for $99. Again, it's not a recurring charge. You don't have to worry about calling and saying, I want to cancel this thing. It will not appear on your credit card statement a second time unless you specifically say you want it to be there. If you have any questions about this or anything else that has to do with trading, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day on Wednesday and an even better one on deck Thursday. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.